We're doing professional learning today with teachers from more than 15 schools. They're working with artists to talk about gender in theater and to develop a deeper directing practice that they can use in their own classrooms. It's exciting, it's enriching, it's challenging in the right ways.
These are future artistic directors, designers, like lighting designers, sound designers, you have actors, you have directors, you have arts administrators, people who value the arts, love the arts, and will have a lifetime relationship with that.
I love coming to these events so that I can collaborate with like-minded people to be reminded of why being a drama teacher is so wonderful.
Even just walking through the spaces and letting our imaginations run wild about everything that would be possible has been really cool.
I'm excited to see how much people are getting into all aspects of what becomes the CIS Drama Festival, in that people are really realizing that the workshops interconnect with the opportunity for students to perform.